little theory lesson. To be able to play arpeggio correctly, you need to know two things. First is the key signature, and the second, the structure. You build up the major arpeggio using major third following with the minor third. Memorize. We need to build up major third, which contains two tones, following by minor third, which contains a tone and a half. But you can skip that part if you know well your key signature. For example, doing D major, we know that the key signature is F sharp and C sharp. And arpeggio notes are D, F, A. But we know that we have F sharp, so the F will become sharp. And if you do a little analysis, then you will find out that the D and F sharp is the major third, and it does contain two tones. And F sharp and A is the minor third, and it does contain tone and a half. For example, if you are playing A major, knowing that we have three sharps in the key signature, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, you can easily build up the major arpeggio A, C sharp, E. But for example, if you forgot the key signature, then please build up major third starting from A using two tones, right? It's C sharp. And then from C sharp, build up the minor third, which contains tone and a half, right? It's note E. So you have two ways how to build up your arpeggio. Major third, the easiest way, memorize your key signature, or an emergency when you did forget your key signature. If that happens, you can always use an intervals. Major third following the minor third. And we are talking about major arpeggio, because in the minor arpeggio you will do opposite. And please do remember, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're advanced. First, what you do, you name the arpeggio notes, and only then you play them. Please don't memorize just the finger pattern, because that's not the secure way how to practice your arpeggios. And pay a lot of attention to your intonation and the sound. And that's why you start your practice with the scales and arpeggios, to get the control of your instrument and the hands, left hand and the right hand, intonation and the sound. And you must start your practice in a really, really slow tempo.